Hello, boys and girls. Now, today I'm going to share with you how to solve the two questions found in this book. And based on the strategy that you're going to learn in this book, it is on model drawing. Now, model drawing is very important because it helps you visualize the information that is stated in this question. Now, without drawing a model, it is a bit difficult for you to imagine, okay, about the numbers and the stories that is mentioned here. So let us first understand this question. There are 36 children in the school bus, and there are 10 more boys than girls in the school bus. How many girls are there in the school bus? So this is not really difficult, but with the help of model, you will be able to see which one is more. Do we have more boys or are there more girls? All right. Now, how is the bar model drawn? First, we know that there are two bars that we're going to draw. One to represent the boys and another one to represent the girls. Now, since there are more boys than the girls and 10 more boys, we will draw the bar for boys longer compared to the bar that represent the girls. All right. Now, I will first label them. The longer bar I will label it as boys, and the shorter bar I will label it as girls. And then how do I show the 10 more? So I would draw a line to show the extra part coming out from the boys, and this would be 10. Now, what else do we need to put in the model? As you can see, in that question, there are 36 children at first. So how do I show the 36 children? This will show the total, and my total will be 36. Now, what do we need to find? The question wants us to find the number of girls in the bus. So we will put a question mark in the bar to show what we are finding. So how do we find the value of that part of the bar that represents the girls? Now, what you can see here is that the two bars, okay, this part of the bar, they have the equal lengths. All right, that means the value of these two bars that I have highlighted in yellow will show the same value. Now, what about the 10? The 10 here would be the extra. So our first part, the first step to do is to take out 10 from 36. So 36 minus 10, I will get 26. Now this 26 represents the two bars that are highlighted in yellow. To find the value of one bar, okay, which is actually the question mark here, what we need to do is to take 26 divided by 2, and then we'll get 13. Now, what it means is that this will be 13 and this will be 13. And so our question is answered. There are 13 girls in the school bus. For the next question, the question is slightly longer. And of course, it means there is more information given to you before you can solve the problem. The method that we're going to do will be the same. We are still going to draw bar models to help us visualize and decide what method or what operations to perform. Okay, let us first read the question. Jane has 76 10-cent, 20-cent, and 50-cent coins. And there are 4 times as many 10-cent coins as 20-cent coins, and 4 more 50-cent coins than 10-cent coins. What is the total value of all the coins? Again, in order to find out the total value, we need to know how many coins are there for all the different denominations, 10 cents, the 20 cents, and the 50-cent coins. To do that, we are going to draw bar models, right? Now, first, we'll choose to draw this. There are 4 times as many 10-cent coins as 20-cent coins. So now what we're going to do is we have a bar model that represents the 10-cent coins and the bar model that represents the 20-cent coins. 10 cents, 20 cents. Now, since there are 4 times as many 10-cent coins, I would draw 4 boxes to show 4 times. And 1 box to show 20 cents. That is 1 time. Now, what about the next statement? 4 more 50-cent coins than 10-cent coins. So what it means is that there will be more 50-cent coins than 10-cent coins. How many more? 4 more. So I would draw the bars for 50 cents, which shows 4 boxes, right? Similar to the 10-cent coins, and an additional 4 coins. So I put a 4 at the end of the bar representing the 50 cents. Now, we should not also forget the information here at first. There are 76 coins altogether. So again, we're going to indicate the total, that is 76. All right. Now, what you notice is this. All the units here, or all the boxes here, they are of the same size. All right. Now, when you draw model, size is important. We should draw it in the same size to show that they all have the same value. Now, what about the 4? Now, that is an extra number that may not have the same value as the box I highlighted in orange. So, in order to find the value of 1 box that is being highlighted, we are going to do some working. Now, first, we will have to take out the extra, right? The 4 from the total. 76 minus 4 will be 72. Now, 72 will be the number represented by all the highlighted 9 boxes. So in order to find the value of 1 box, all we need to do is to divide 72 by 9. Now, the answer of 72 divided by 9 will be 8. Now, that means the value of 1 box will be 8. So all this will be 8. All right. And what are we finding now? We are finding the total value of all the coins. Now, remember, we are not finding the number of coins. We are finding the value of the coins. But of course, before we can find the value, we need to know the number of each type of coins. Now, first, even from the bar models, we can tell how many coins are there for 10 cents. So for 10 cents, there will be, okay, there are 8 times 4. There are 32 coins. What about 20 cents? Okay, there are just 8 coins, 1 box there, right? What about 50 cents? There will be 4 sets of 8. And then with another 4, the total will be 36. Finally, we are finding the value. How do we find the value? Of course, we will take the number of coins, 32 10-cent coins, multiply by its value, 0.1, to represent 10 cents. It's like $0.1. All right. And what about 20 cents? So we 8 of them multiplied by 0.2. All right. and 36 multiplied by 0.5. And so if you work this out, the sum will be 22.8. Now, when I write 22.8, it is represented in decimals, in terms of dollars. To present a final answer, we need to show this as a dollar and cents. And boys and girls, please remember, when we need to write an answer in dollars and cents, do give 2 decimal places. So therefore, the final answer should be $22.80. $22.80. All right. So that's all. That's how we get how we do this question.